It's Monday, December 23rd, 2024. It's 8:54 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. Watching OCC, fourth highest gainer, up 130%. Does have positive news. It's having a good fourth quarter of this year. High of day is 520 on this last candle. Keep my eyes on it and I'll return. I have an order in and I am in the trade of OCC. Gonna let this push continue for just a little bit. And I am out. Let's go see how we did. All right, that was a very quick $8 even, 2.8% gain on that trade. I was only in this 17 seconds, in at 5:15, out at 5:35 with 40 shares. If we take a look back, it has moved up quite a bit since I got out. However, I'm happy with the trade I made. It's a Monday. I'll take a green trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.